While you just made $250 and it's only the beginning of the day, after a few hours you have another $250 in your pocket. The payment alerts keep on coming in like clockwork. This is something that I and many others who know how to make money online have experienced. Only a few people, according to what I've heard, are aware of this method, but because you're a dedicated subscriber, I'll share it with you so you can attain the success and lifestyle you actually deserve. You will not need to spend any money into this method because it's completely free. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer with internet access to earn or conduct this work. Now, we'll need to employ something that's related to Microsoft Word. What we have here is a pretty unusual method, but believe me when I say it's incredibly simple even for beginners with no prior expertise or special skills. Now take special attention because this is pretty comprehensive. Nonetheless, it is not difficult. This is something that will improve your financial status. But before we go further to this video, welcome to the Rapid Money, where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Want to know how I make $3,000 all in? So check the link in description. Let's return to the video now. Before you do anything else, please go to this website, hiresign.com. You may find a lot of online jobs on this website that will allow you to work from home and earn a lot of money. And right now I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Word to get paid every single day. Take a look at this page for online work from home opportunities. Registration is completely free too. You don't have to pay anything to get started. This chance is open to everyone from anywhere in the world. You will be paid on a daily basis using the method of your choice. As shown below, there are a variety of online tasks you may do to earn money online, such as typing, proofreading, and paid surveys. Now all we have to do is scroll down below to locate graphic design, PowerPoint presentations, and spreadsheet jobs, as well as a plethora of other ways to make money as a beginning. In this video, I'll show you how to save a significant amount of time, and the greatest method to generate money on this website is to pull all of your effort into it. Now it's time to get to work on proofreading. It states here that the remuneration ranges from $5 to $10 per page of document. All you have to do now is double check the spelling and look for grammatical problems. Do you believe you have a poor command of the English language? Don't be concerned, it's no problem. You are not obligated to speak to anyone. This position does not require any prior experience. In a moment I'll show you an actual job that I'm now working on. This section is split over 2 pages, so in this circumstance they'll pay you $10 per page for this 2-page paper. That brings the total to $20. You can repeat this process as needed. When you click this link, you'll be sent to a page where you can apply to work as an online virtual proofreader. Do not be alarmed. It's a lot less difficult than you may imagine. At the end of this video, I'll show you some free tools that you may use to automate your work. Make sure you stay long enough to figure out what they are. This website is one of my favorites because they pay very competitive prices compared to other websites that do the same type of work. It's a great deal at $10 per page. They also have flexible hours, which is a plus. You have complete control over how much or how little you work, and you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. All you need is an internet connection and a mobile phone or PC. Now I'm going to show you how to create a completely free account. Also, the registration process is a little complicated, so make sure you don't make any errors. You may see this application procedure by scrolling down here, and the submission is completely free. All you have to do is click the Apply to the Online Proofreader button right here. This will bring you to this page. You can view all of the actions you need to do to submit a job application by scrolling down below. You'll be brought to this website if you click on this link right now. The submission guidelines can be found here, and if we go down farther, you'll see this button that says Advance to Application. Simply click on the Apply Now button and follow the instructions, and then that will take you to the online application form at hiresign.com. It can get a little tricky at this part. Feel free to dial back and rewatch the process so you don't miss anything important. You can see this application form if you look right here. Now it's critical to understand that you'll be asked a series of questions to which you'll need to respond correctly in order to be accepted and begin earning money. I'll take you through the entire process step by step. They're asking for you to log in your first and last name, age, and email address over here. Then they ask you for your password and ask you to confirm it. The next section is under choosing your notice period. Is quite crucial. Make sure you make your choice right away because you'll be chosen within 24 hours if you do it that way. And once that happens, you can Immediately begin working on the jobs listed here and you can start earning money. So the petition you're interested in is the following question you should choose: a proofreading job because it pays well and requires the use of Microsoft Word. Now it's time to choose a country. Simply select your home country. Keep in mind that this is accessible from anywhere on the planet. Finally, select freelancer as your current job status. This is crucial because the chances of becoming a freelancer are significantly better than for others. Let me now demonstrate how to properly write in this brief self-introduction part. Something along these lines could be a good place to start. Hello, my name is, I'm extremely interested in applying for this proofreading position at higher sign, and I'm very open to obtaining other work offers. After you've finished writing that, simply click on this box and then blue register button, and that's it. You should be accepted and be able to join HireAssign.com within 24 hours, and you can begin receiving files to work on and earn money online. There are 2 pages in this Microsoft Word file, and our sample will be paid $20 as a result of this. You'll be able to finish 10 assignments in under an hour if you keep going at this pace. That's $200 for an hour's worth of work. Take a peek at what's going on here. You see, you get a Microsoft Word document with several grammatical and spelling issues. However, Microsoft Word will automatically detect them for you. As you can see, there are colored underlines on several words and phrases. You can right-click and have them instantly corrected with a single button press. That's all there is to it. All you have to do now is read the entire document and look for colored underlines, then simply right-click on the errors to have them auto-corrected. That's something you can do over and over. Let me now demonstrate another piece of software that can make everything you need to do with this work a lot easier. Simply search for Reverse Speller A spelling checker on google.com. It will assist you in checking for grammatical and spelling errors. Simply copy and paste the content from the document you're working on into this column, then check everything with this yellow button. All of this may be accomplished with a single mouse click. What a simple concept. That's something you can do over and over again. Return to the document, pick the text, then use Reverse Speller to